Yes, one, two, three, start. Let me begin by wishing you all and your families a very happy and prosperous new year. It is with great pleasure that I speak to you in the new year throughout years. I have been closely interacting with various educational institutions and visited many universities both at state and national level. My first and foremost concern is the quality of education in our country. The standard of higher education has a direct relationship with the development of a nation and the quality of life of its citizens. Two recent surveys conducted by reputed international organizations have brought out the difference in the standard of education between institutions in India and abroad. None of the Indian universities find any place in the top 200 institutions. Why is it that our higher education system, that is capable of producing world class scholars, loses them to foreign institutions? Is it due to the lack of research facilities and opportunities for creative and innovative thinking? To nurture and retain talent, our institutions must increase their potential for research and promote an ecosystem helpful to creativity and innovation. What we need today are more partnership on cutting edge technology, better linkage with industry. This will not only encourage meritorious students to do research but also attract talent from foreign universities. A country with a huge population, only 8 Indians have so far won the Nobel Prize. This country is eager to see an increase in the number. I am sure it will come from amongst you. To improve the standards of higher education, we must improve the quality of teachers, the learning capacity of students, and the physical infrastructure. But physical infrastructure alone will count for nothing unless it is matched by the quality of human capital that comprises the academic community. The faculty, to be of a higher order, must keep themselves updated with the latest developments. To bring about qualitative changes in teaching, the institutions must arrange a common platform of resources to be used by all faculty members for skill development and knowledge gathering. The National Knowledge Networks offers an effective solution to the academic institutions to connect, work together, and spread ideas, views, finding, and research innovations. During some of my visits to famous educational institutions, I have had the opportunity to interact with inspired teachers. There are such teachers who make their students appreciate a subject from a wider point of view and encourage them to explore beyond the frontiers of the discipline. By their own example, they instill good moral values in their students. These teachers must encourage to share their wisdom, thoughts, and experience with the larger academic community. You, the young ones, are the bright future of our nation. The extent of our progress will be decided by your energy, drive, initiative, and industry. Understand our nation and its institutions. Read, learn, and formulate views on national issues. Once again, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and rewarding year ahead. Dear sir, it is with sincere regret that I must inform you that your employment in our company will be terminated very soon. I would like to make it clear that in no way does your termination reflect that the company is in any way unhappy with your work performance. In fact, you have been highly regarded as one of our most productive contract employees. Unfortunately, you and the other contract employees who are being let go are simply a reflection of the general economic slowdown in the industry over the past year. In an effort to try to reduce the impact of this termination, the company has worked out a division arrangement that will give you 1 week's pay for each month you worked beyond 12 months. Will be more in your case. In addition, your medical and other coverage will remain in effect until the end of the division period. You will soon receive a letter from the Human Resource Department with all of the details on the division package. Given your qualification and proven abilities, I am confident that you will be able to find another position in the relatively near future. Thanking you, yours sincerely.